Let's make some Chapli Kabab burgers in the air fryer. By the way, I made the buns also in the air fryer. So let's begin. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, cup of warm water. Mix it. Now let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 1 egg, salt, butter, flour. I'm gonna add the remaining flour, warm water. So I've kneaded the dough. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna let this rise until it's doubled in size. For kebabs, I've got half kg of chicken keema. I've got chopped onion, tomato, green onion, pepper, coriander, and garlic. Add 1 egg or 2 egg yolks. Teaspoon of coriander powder, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garam masala, half packet of shaan chapli kebab masala. Now this masala has already salt in it, but I just add a bit more. If you don't want to add, just don't add it. I'll mix everything. The dough is ready. I have greased this baking tray. This fits in my air fryer basket. Cover them and let them rise again until they double in size. These have doubled in size. 2 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of milk. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on them. I have preheated the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna put this in. These are gonna go in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna brush some butter on them while they're hot. I'll have to check them from the other side. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna try and flip them. So I'll put some baking paper here. These are gonna go back in the air fryer for about 5 to 6 more minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. These are done. Put some water on your hands. Make the kebabs. I'm making only 2 kebabs at the moment. You can make the kebabs in the frying pan as well. It's just gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna flip the kebab. These are gonna go back in for about 6 more minutes.